Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today I bring you a tutorial of a simple black and white mani, but very classy I think. And at the same time I'll be doing a review on these black and white polishes from Born Pretty store. This very first one is from the black and white series and the name of it is Thick Milk. The black one, interestingly enough, it's named Dark Chocolate. But don't let it kid you, it's a true black. It is from the Sweet Bubble series. And I'm going to show you here. You will see these are the stamping plates that I used. Yeah, I was all over the place with the stamping plates, but I did have a pretty good idea in mind of what I wanted this mani to look. So here I am applying this black polish. Let me tell you guys, I love it. One coat. It's a one coat, one stroke black polish. I don't have anything like it, not my simple colors. There it is. Solid in one coat. Loved it. By the way, these polishes are peel off polishes. Yes. Now it's a totally different story here with this white one because I found it to be very streaky there, and yeah, for the name of it being, it's called Thick Milk, it's nothing but. I felt that it really needed 3 coats in order for me to get the opacity that I wanted and the consistency that I wanted. Even though I knew I was going to stamp over it. So if you're going to stamp over it after 2 coats, you might be okay with it. But I really wanted to put it to test here and see when it was how many coats it was going to take for me to get it if I was to wear this as just a solid color. But yes, it truly took 3 coats. But I will have to say about this white one, their website says that these polishes will dry in 45 seconds. The white one dried pretty fast. This black one, there you saw a smudge test. I had to give it a good 5 minutes for it to dry and me be confident enough to start my gradient and then stamp over it. So here I am using the same polishes to create the gradient. The cleanup went really easy with the black. So as you see, I'm using 100% acetone and it cleaned up very easy. And they worked really well for creating my gradient. And here's the look, and they have very good shine on their own. So there is no special base coat or top coat that came with these polishes. And here's the stamping test. Yes, this is proof that these polishes are water-based. Look what it did. The image just totally dissipated. Remember when I did this test with the Bontime water-based polishes? Yeah, same thing here. So it does not say on the website that they are water-based, but there you go. That's proof. No good for stamping. Needless to say, I moved on to my funky fingers to do my stamping. Now here I am going with the owl face. I so love how this turned out. It came out exactly how I had it in mind. And here's the final result. This is prior to me applying top coat. Yeah, my Sedge Feet top coat, it is getting a little bit thick. And so it smeared a little bit part of the eye from the owl. I was a little bit disappointed, but not too much. And then I couldn't help but I really wanted to give it a matte finish. I thought it will soften it up, being that it's, yeah, so I have feathers, that's where the idea came from. I wanted to give it a matte finish and loved how it turned out. I hope you guys like it. So now, whether or not I am ready to part with this mani, which I really am not because I'm loving it so much, let's do the peel off test on this polish. Now I will let you know ahead of time, the base that I have, it is a gel base, okay? I do use a gel top coat as a base over my Rejuva coat to protect my nails from yellowing after using regular polishes, okay? So I don't know what this is going to do here. I don't know if it's going to make it easier, tougher, but let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. This polish, unlike another brand that I've tested before, did not come off with its own peel off base coat. It's just the polish. Let's see how it peels off. And I don't want to peel off, I don't want to lift my gel. So let's try to pry it somewhere. I'm not prying from the very edge. I'm trying to pry from just inside. And mind you, I have more than one top coat, more than one layer of top coat, since I did the sedge feet and then the matte top coat. Let's see how this peels off. I'm able to pry it. So I'm just trying to, again, trying to avoid lifting my gel base. And I think it's going to work. Let me just get my tweezers. Oh, very good. It's, oh, looking good. There we go. Very good. Yes, it is lifting my gel because I mean my application, since I only use it to protect my nails, it's not an ideal application. I do not use a gel base and then a top coat. I just apply, literally I just apply gel top coat over my Rejuva coat, which is a clear base coat for natural nails. Here we go. So yeah, this is peeling out nicely. Let's go ahead and continue with the others. I'm going to speed up to the rest of the video and see how clean I'm able to get these nails off of this polish. Okay guys, so here are my nails after complete removal of the polish. And one thing that I'm going to point out, the reason I have problems with the edges right against my cuticle, remember, so I use that stamping polish, so anywhere where I stamp with black and white, yeah, that was the Funky Fingers polish that I had to remove from right against the edges. But and I don't know why this nail gave me so much trouble on peeling the entire black polish. I really cannot tell, but as you can see, that shine that was left behind, that is that gel top coat that I have as a base. I would say I'm pretty confident this polish will work really well against your nothing else but your natural nail. Yeah. And yeah, you saw it has to be a water-based formula, and so being that is a water-based formula, you wouldn't have to worry about it staining your nails or anything like that. So yes, I'm pretty confident it will do what it is supposed to do. It peeled off fine off of my other nails, and yeah, a completely odorless formula. So there you go. So if you guys have any questions about these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Born Pretty Store for sending these beautiful polishes to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.